So I'm recording this at the beginning of the spring semester 2026. And even though it's spring, we are anticipating a massive snowstorm coming through here Sunday and Monday. So there's a very good chance we won't have school or class on Monday. Um, Obviously check the alerts. I don't know for sure, but I'm recording this just in case. So this will be your homework to do on your own during the week before we meet together in class on Thursday. Because while we all successfully downloaded Revit in class together, there's actually a few additional libraries that we also need to do, but I wanted to make sure everybody got Revit download successfully before we moved on to that. So again, make sure you're logged in over here on your Autodesk account. You should see your own initials. If you're not at this screen, you get to this by going to products and services. So we'll kind of just like refresh here. You should then, of course, be seeing AutoCAD and Revit. There might be a few other things you see because it's just part of the educational package we have. All right, so when you scroll down to Revit, there's kind of a tiny little button you need to be able to find. Mine's right here. So see where it says view details. So all of you have already installed 2026. That went successful. Thanks for everyone's patience. So now what you do is you click on view details. And there's going to be a bunch of stuff here. So there's some updates. When it updates, generally it's going to push it automatically to you. But what we need to click on over here is libraries. Because again, this is an international program, so they're used all over the world here. We're going to download U.S. English Residential Content Pack. Now, you probably don't need it for me this semester, some of the residential things, but you will definitely need it junior and senior year. So we're going to go ahead and click download on that. I'll do that in just a minute. The other one you need is you have to scroll down a bit through the various languages until you find U.S. English. So make sure it's not UK. UK is up there. You want U.S. English content for Revit 2026. So both of these you're going to need to download. I'll start them up and kind of pause and run them in the background, but there shouldn't be. They go pretty quickly, and they're basically installing, like with CAD where we had content libraries, furniture and things. That's what it's downloading here, and obviously in the English language. All right, so same with, we're going to download the US English content. And you can see it went pretty quickly. So these are the two libraries we've just downloaded. I downloaded my Revit earlier today. So it turns out you do kind of have to launch them. So this first one, I'm just going to double click. Eventually you'll see it pop up here. It's extracting now. That's a good thing. So you also might get a pop-up thing where it says like install yes or no. I think I had already clicked that before I started recording. So it's just doing its thing now. It's basically putting all these files kind of behind the scenes in your C drive. So it's going to open it up and kind of confirm that for me. We say yes, and it's just going to add some more files to us. Then I'm going to do the second one too, but we'll just kind of let this video play just to make sure there's not any kind of quirky things coming on, but I'll pause it now and then if it looks like it's going to take a while. These guys should be pretty quick compared to doing Revit on our together in class the other day though. One thing it did do is it went pretty quick for that first library, but now it needs me to restart. So again, obviously go ahead and click restart. I'm going to pause it again. Then I'll just kind of walk us through the next one. Okay, so I restarted, it loaded the one thing, then I clicked on the second thing, and now that's ready to install. So we'll go ahead and click that and kind of give you an idea of how long to expect. All right, so this guy's got a longer countdown here. So what I'll do is I'll pause this video. But again, I will record anything near the end if there's anything kind of glitchy that you need a heads up for. Otherwise, actually, well, hold on, it's going pretty quick, so that's cool. But we'll pause this just so you don't have to watch the whole darn thing. All right, so everything looks good. Install's complete. We're going to go ahead and click finish on that. It might also ask for restart, but like so far, so good. Those two libraries that you need to download, eventually later in the semester, we're going to download additional libraries that are going to be like surface finishes and materials. But these are just the things that we need to get going. So we have a lot of stuff already installed in the background when we start making our office. So hopefully, if I don't see you Monday, we'll all see each other all on Thursday, and we'll kind of hit the ground running and start building in Revit. And hopefully if you have a snow day, enjoy it and stay safe too.